In today's video, we are going to show you how to invite people to a Milanote board so you can collaborate with their team, with their clients, colleagues, or friends in just a few clicks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and from your dashboard, you want to make sure that you are on the home page so that you can open the board that you want to share with. For example, I'm going to be choosing this board. Double click on it, and once you are inside the board or the interface, go to the top right corner and click the share button. This will open the sharing options for your board. And as you can see, all I have to do is super simple, okay? Just enter the email address that you wanted to invite with. It could be your client that you're working right now, maybe your colleague or your collaborator or their collaborators, especially here in our YouTube channel. We are a handful of creative individuals. One is handling the thumbnails, one is handling the keyword research, one is handling the voiceover. So we need to have this link for productivity so everyone is on the same page. Now, just enter the email address, click the send invite. Okay, so that's one way. Now, the invite has been sent to that specific client or member. If you want, you can also invite editors with a link. Copy that link, send it to, let's say, social media platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Telegram, WhatsApp, and a lot more. Now, as you may notice, you have the option to notify you when someone edits this board. This is super helpful if you wanted to check if there had been changes inside the production channel that you're working. So I'm going to check a link if I have received that invite link. And as you may notice, I was successfully invited, and all I have to do is super simple, click the view of the board, and now I can access the platform. Okay? So basically, that's it for today's video on how to invite people to Milanote and start collaborating. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.